Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Jotform workflows. This integration is incredibly useful if you're collecting appointment bookings, event registrations, or any form submissions that need to automatically create calendar events. It eliminates manual data entry and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the forms you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard. Here, you'll see all your existing forms displayed. Locate the specific form you want to integrate with Google Calendar. Maybe it's an appointment booking form or an event registration form. Once you've found it, click the Edit Form button to open it in the Form Editor. Now that you're in the Form Editor, look toward the top of the page and click on the Settings button. This will open up various configuration options for your form. From the Settings menu, click on Integrations. This is where Jotform really shines, as it connects with hundreds of different apps and services. In the Integrations area, you'll see a search field at the top. Type in Google Calendar and click on it when it appears in the results. This will open up the Google Calendar integration options. Next, you'll be asked to choose an action. Depending on your needs, you can select options like Create Event or Create Event with Google Meet. The Google Meet option is particularly handy if you want to automatically generate video call links for your appointments. Once you've made your selection, click Next to proceed. The system will now prompt you to authenticate your Google account. Click the Authenticate button and sign into your Google account when the login window appears. This step is necessary so Jotform can access your calendar and create events on your behalf. After signing in, you'll see a permissions screen. Look for the checkbox next to Select All Permissions and tick it. This grants Jotform the necessary access to manage your calendar events. Once you've done that, click Continue. The page may take a moment to process these permissions, so just give it a second. Now comes the important part, mapping your form fields to calendar details. In the Select Calendar drop-down menu, choose the specific Google Calendar where you want these events to appear. This is useful if you have multiple calendars for different purposes. Next, you'll need to map your form fields to the calendar event details. Start by setting the event title. This might pull from a name field in your form. Then add attendees, which typically comes from an email field. You should also map the event description and meeting location fields to the appropriate form fields. This ensures all the relevant information from your form automatically populates in the calendar event. If you want calendar events to update automatically when someone edits their form submission, toggle on the option that says Update Event. When a submission is edited, this keeps everything synchronized. Once you're satisfied with your mappings, click Save. Finally, it's time to test everything. Preview your form and submit a test entry with sample appointment details. Then check your Google Calendar to confirm the event appears with all the correct information. And that's it. Your Jotform is now fully integrated with Google Calendar, automatically creating events from form submissions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.